Yeah, so right now I have a business. It's an in-person business. I'm an insurance agent, so basically I sell insurance, and
Mhm.
I know how important personal brands are. So I really want to grow my personal brand, do it more for like marketing and kind of make money online, but also help in scaling my business and just becoming like a well-known figure in my niche, which is insurance.
Okay, so basically, you want to grow your business, which is a personal brand business, but at currently your business is not growing as you'd like to.
So my business is insurance agency, and yeah, I mean it's kind of growing, but I want to be like the guy, like the insurance agent, well known throughout the US. That's kind of my goal.
Then why is it so important for you to be the guy?
Boss, better question. What are you with that so far?
Well, right now I would say I'm a small fish in a big pond. I want to be a big fish in a big pond.
Okay, what are your thoughts on being the small fish right now?
No. How do you know you're a small fish?
Well, because I mean, I'm making some money with my agency, enough to survive, pay bills, but I mean, I know people that are bringing in hundreds of thousands a month or even millions a month, and I'm not even close to that.
What are you bringing in?
Making around 15, 20K a month.
Now,
Okay, so is that
bossing you,
before?
bossing you there. That was good, by the way. I doubt because he brought up the money, he probably wouldn't give you that. I don't want to talk about my finances, but how could you
Mhm.
do it with elicitation? Let's just practice that.
Okay, could you repeat your statement, Jared, so it can flow?
Yeah. So I know people making hundreds of thousands, even millions a month, and I'm nowhere near that.
So you're making nothing.
No, I'm making like 15, 20K, so it's something.
Okay, then why are you not satisfied with something? Why do you want to reach that level?
Because I want to be the top guy.
Okay, so you not being a top guy, how is that affecting you right now?
Mm, any other variation?
Let me think. No, my mind is blank. Yes.
So,
Uh,
what would you like to ask him? What do you want to
what
know?
I would like what I would like to ask him right now is because I can tell like him not being a top guy is important to him, but it's affecting him in a sense, but he's displaying it in a sense that everything is just neutral. So I think a better variation could be, yeah, you talk about you not being a top guy, like it's something that's so chilled. What is that?
Why am I not more like, I guess, enthusiastic about it? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I am. I definitely want to scale the business. I want to build a personal brand. Like, I am very enthusiastic about that.
Okay, I understand the enthusiasm, but you not being the top guy, it seems like it's something that's not affecting you at all.
No, I mean, I think it is something I think about a lot.
Why do you think it's affecting you? I know a lot of people who are not top guys in the insurance, and you know it's a competitive world.
No, I think you're just challenging him too much. Like it's gonna be awkward in his mind. Like, what is this guy like? You're pushing it too much. You could, let's say, if you wanted to start it this way, I'll show you what I would do. So let's go back a few steps. When immediately you brought that up, I'm gonna bring it up. So you've been wanted, you we want to be the top guy. I'm not seeing a huge desire for it though. Am I wrong?
Yeah, I think you are wrong. It is a big desire that I have.
Okay. For how long have you had this desire, being the top guy?
Well, I started my business around 5 years ago. From there, I kind of realized the different levels of things. I'd say I've really been pushing for like 3 years now to just scale and grow and grow.
Okay. 3 years wanting to, be the top guy pretty much. The gap between making 15K to millions, how do you see that gap?
It's a big gap, obviously.
Okay. What have you done to stop being the little fish guy?
Well,
So you see,
I've
I'm
tried.
putting him, I'm also challenging him, but I am putting him in a way that he, fuck, 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 you know? It's like I'm creating that pressure,
Mm,
but we're advancing without him being, he's being challenged, but he's not being challenged in the way that, why are you challenging me?
yeah. I think you balance it, if I can put it in words. Like, I don't know how to describe, but do you like a car must be balanced. It's like you balance it. For me, it's just like full accelerator, and that's how he feels.
Mm-hmm. That's a good analogy. Okay. Keep going, Jared, and then you could go on a little bit more.
Yeah, so right now I've just been doing a lot of like cold calls, really. I do have two team members that work part-time that also do cold calls to try to grow. But I understand that's not like an accelerated growth. That's like slow and steady. Will take me like 5, 10 years to even get close to 100K a month. So
Mhm.
it's just not going to work that way.
How long have you been at this gap again, where you haven't reached that 100K?
Well, it's been 5 years total of my business. It's been like 3 years where I've just been going hard with sales and just growing and just trying to scale as much as possible.
Hmm. You seem very disappointed by the fact that you're just cold calling right now and you haven't reached that.
Yeah, it's not much. It's like it's a lot of work for a little return.
Now, when you notice that you've been trying to reach this goal for 5 years and now you're doing cold calls, which is something that you said is not progressive, what are your thoughts on that?
Nah, you're just trying to beat him. Let's go back. I'll show you. I'll do the best to take a similar direction with you.
Mhm.
Okay, Jared, what have you done in this past 3 years to stop being the little guy, the little fish guy?
Pretty much it's been cold calls, hammering the phones. I also have two team members that work part-time that also do calls. So that's been the majority of how I've been scaling so far.
Okay. How many hours are you just hammering the phones, like yourself, per day? Give me an average.
I'm doing like 6 hours a day,
Okay,
5 days a week.
6. Okay. What about your members, your two team members?
Yeah, they work 4 hours. They're probably on the phone like three hours each. So that's another 6 hours a day.
Okay. So 12 hours per day in total between all of you, pretty
Hmm.
much. All right. So you guys only work 5 hours a day? Like, sorry, 5 days a week?
Yeah, 5 days a week.
Okay. So it's like 500 hours a week, 600 hours a week. Let's go with that. And by the way, you always want to give like an extra one. 'Cause in math, if you do, I don't know, fucking know how much it's gonna be. Like he said, he's working 6 hours, mm, 12 hours. It will be 12 times 5, and then you got the numbers. But you always want to give it a bit more. Like
Mhm.
sometimes always a bit more. So my point is, okay, I think that's 170. So if you give, I want to explain something big about the social need, and I'm like, you guys are not, I can't do it. Fuck. All right, I'm gonna contain myself. I'm gonna, I'm gonna contain myself with it, but I'll explain it later so that it makes sense later why this mental pause. But anyways, if I go back and I just ask Jared, okay, so you've been hammering the phone for like 12 hours a day total, 5 hours, 5 days a week. Let's just leave it at there. All right. What are the results that this is bringing for you guys? Like the new
Oh, we got,
results, right? So that you can stop being the little fish guy.
yeah. I mean, it's very inconsistent. I obviously grew to like I said, 15, 20. Like last month we did 20K,
Mhm.
but it always varies a little bit. So
What were
yeah,
numbers a little bit before?
so it was last month was 20K. Before that it was like 18. Before that, we hit 21, which is the highest. So it's been in that range for a while,
What is well?
like 6 months.
Yeah. For half a year, you basically haven't made any type of improvements. I mean, don't get me
Mhm.
wrong, 20K is good money. But when you're comparing it to be the top guy, you're basically, you said people are making millions. I'm just gonna do 1 million for reference. You're basically $980,000 short to be top guy every month,
hmm
right? So we're comparing that. What is the solution? Because if we do maths, I'm not GPT, I'm not gonna do it for you, but that would mean that you guys will have to do phone calling for like 3,000 hours a day, pretty
Yeah.
much. How likely do you see that?
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
Okay. How are you gonna become the top guy?
I think I need to build a personal brand, go viral, and start making sales that way.
See?
What I'm seeing is that you're using data as an intermediary for what I'm doing. I'm just doing it directly. That's why it feels like I'm beating him up, but you are letting him the facts and the data beat him up. That's the difference. A huge difference.
You guys know what is the most persuasive thing that ever happens? The most persuasive, influenceable, manipulative, pushing thing that you can do on a person to make him have an idea?
Facts.
Does
Molest
someone
him.
no? No. No takers? What is the most
Sell himself.
persuasive thing you can do? The maximum.
Make him sell himself.
Make them feel smart, like it's their idea.
There we fucking go. There we go. Both of you are right. It's making them feel clever, basically. You're either putting two ideas together and making them connect them, or you're just showcasing a path. It's like in a dumb example, man, I just don't know what time it is. It's like I want to know what time it is. There's a watch there. You can just you see. So my point is, if an idea comes up naturally off your mind, it's irresistible. And I never pushed him into, yeah, I just said, okay, so how are you gonna do it? How are you gonna do it? Yeah, I need to do viral. I need to become viral with this. It's like, great, that's the most persuasive thing I can do. So anytime you want someone to do something, it has to come from their mind. Make them come up with the idea. Don't tell them the idea is like that.